Your mind environment's changed, but your dunny stays the same. Out the shadows and the ashes, walking through the pain. How can I explain all the thoughts up in my brain? They fucking with my vision and driving me insane. Still I gotta maintain, keep my mind focused, head strong and head on, cause my future you could bet on. I raise the stakes cause it's rocky on this paper chase, but in the end respect's with more than paper trade. That's why I lay awake, see I create my fate. I'm on a mission, hustle's ambition is past straight. I'm moving fast pace, you in the rap race, you come in last place. Fucking with a king, it's proper art, hear my name ring. Yeah, 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 vision's blurry, I gotta get myself back on track and cook a tracks right now. Ain't no time to relax, I'm still chilling with realer cats and politicking over who's spitting the realer facts. In the hip-hop game, there's lots of shame, it's time to bring it back. Lil' homie, what's your rank? Me, I'm a king and you know by now how strong them kings is holding it down. I hit the streets with the sound, I brought it back to the town, reppin' Sanger, California, but I'm hip-hop bound. I pick up a pen, similar to a needle, inject it with my flows, create dope for my people. I'm itching, switching, feeling for the fix. Kid, this hip-hop addiction, I gotta get my hits in. See, when I spit my feelings to the mic, it seems the only way for me to ease my mind. Get a rush down my spine as my lyrics intertwine. Time's mine, tight grind, time to get up and shine. Draw the fire from my mind right between the paper's lines. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Look, I'm just feeding the beast in order to survive. We all gotta eat. My addiction's deep beneath, got me losing master sleep. Voices in my head telling me to keep it in the streets. So unique, the way I speak over beats. Mind state's always ready, focus stays at the peak. Yours steep and narrow, like you losing speed. Never slow down, tell them keep up with me. And I'm on a roll, there ain't no stopping them. Just acknowledge a king, your only option, son.